PowerAutomate's replace function is the equivalent of Excel's find and replace. You can use it for all sorts of tasks like removing unwanted characters from text, replacing invalid values like NA with your desired option, correct common misspellings in words, fitting templates, and more. Using the replace function is actually very easy. Whenever you want to use it, click on the FX button, then type replace and the parentheses. Add the dynamic value that you want to replace, then type comma and add the tags that you want to find. Then type another comma and type the text that PowerAutomate should replace the found text with. Let's do an example, shall we? I have a list of email addresses I have collected from an online form. They contain some unwanted characters like commas and spaces, and I want to remove them. My flow is already set to loop through all the email addresses, so I'll just add another compose block, which I'll name clean email. Then inside this block, I'll add an expression. I'll type replace and the parentheses, and I'll use the email variable from the loop. First, I'll replace the commas, and to do that, I'll add a comma, then a pair of single quotes, then inside these quotes, I'll add another comma, then add another comma outside the quotes, and add an empty pair of single quotes. Now, to replace the spaces, I'll wrap this whole expression with another replace, then add a comma and a pair of single quotes. Inside the single quotes, I'll put a space, since this is the character I want to find and remove, then I'll add a comma and a pair of empty quotes. And that's it. Let's test this. And it looks like it works. And that's how to use the replace function in PowerAutomate. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions or ideas, and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.